Okay, whatever. Okay, let's sort out the infant. It's almost Candace's birthday as well, it told us. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, you're washing dishes? What a weirdie. When will you not be pregnant anymore? Oh, literally really soon. Okay.
Oh, Bobsonay, huh, Original?
She's so pregnant. Look at that belly.
Arlene, don't see what?
What's wrong? What's wrong? Why don't you think you can get in there? What's your issue? This is the side of the bath you need to interact with. Is it because of her? What is your issue right now? There we go. Now she's going. Oh, we'll invite Salem over, and he'll be our fight and pool death. Oh, now we don't have a death going on. We can actually build a pool. Should we build a pool in the dungeon? Let's do that. Can we build basement pools? Is that possible? Yes. Okay. Perfect. So I want to go this way. Great. Perfect. And then I need dirt flooring. Great.